You already know why you're here. You want that clean, soft, girly boy look. Maybe you saw it on TikTok, or maybe you just looked in the mirror this morning and thought, what if I looked a little softer? Well, you can. You don't need to be a pro, and you don't need a massive makeup collection. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No stress, no judgment, only glow. Before we start, remember this. Makeup doesn't change who you are. It simply helps your outside match how you already feel inside. That's the real magic here. You're not alone if you've ever stared at your reflection thinking, okay, what do I even do now? Or if you bought a palette that's still sitting untouched because you were nervous to try it. Maybe you've scrolled through tutorials that felt like they were made for someone else. That used to be me too. I'd spend mornings doing nothing because I didn't know where to start, and sometimes I felt like I didn't deserve to look feminine at all. I thought I had to hide, or that using makeup was too risky or noticeable. But you do deserve to look how you feel. You deserve to see the softness that's already in you. Whether you want a full glam feminization or a subtle, everyday femboy vibe, this tutorial is for you. There's no judgment here, no right way to do femininity. Just you, learning what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Because your face is your canvas and your confidence is your power. When you like what you see in the mirror, everything shifts. The way you walk, the way you talk, even the way you carry yourself. Feminizing your face with makeup isn't about tricking people. It's about aligning how you feel inside with how you show up to the world. You have every right to feel soft, admired, and seen. Every tool or product we use is just a way to help you express that truth. So let's get into it. Always start with clean, hydrated skin. Massage a lightweight moisturizer into your face that fits your skin type. If you have combination skin, an oily T-zone, and dry cheeks, go for a water-based formula that hydrates without greasiness. Once your skin feels supple and smooth, apply primer. Primer is not optional. It's what helps your makeup last. Think of it as your runway before takeoff. If you're not sure what to use, I listed my favorite beginner-friendly moisturizers and primers in the description. They're gentle, affordable, and femboy tested for sensitive or combo skin. After your primer sets, color correct any beard shadow or under eye circles using a peach or salmon tone. Blend lightly, then set with translucent powder to keep it in place. That tiny step makes a huge difference in evening out tone before a foundation. Your skin should now feel soft, smooth, and ready for magic. Pick a foundation that matches your undertone and the look you're going for. For full glam, go with matte full coverage. It helps blur texture. For a softer daily look, a tinted moisturizer or BB cream works perfectly. Apply with your fingers first to warm the product, then blend with a damp sponge. The goal is smooth, breathable coverage that still looks like skin. Next, contouring. Contour is what softens masculine features and adds gentle dimension. Use a shade 1 to 2 tones darker than your base. Sweep it under your jawline to subtly narrow it, just below the cheekbones for lift, and softly along the sides of your nose for a smaller, rounded effect. If you want a detailed visual guide on contour placement specifically for feminizing features, that's all inside the FemBoy Transformation Guide. It's made for faces like ours and walks you through step-by-step application and mapping. You'll find it linked below. Once you're done blending, take a step back. You should look like you, just softer, more balanced, and glowy. Eyes are everything. Feminine eyes look open, lifted, and bright. Start with a soft beige or off-white shadow across your lids. Sweep a warm brown or taupe shade in the crease, blending in rounded motions for softness. Then apply a touch of that same brown under your lower lash line, focusing on the outer half. Highlight the inner corners with a light shimmer to open your eyes. Instead of harsh black liner, use dark brown or charcoal, drawing a thin line close to your lashes and smudging slightly. It gives dimension without sharpness. Curl your lashes and apply mascara, focusing on the middle and outer corners for lift. If you're comfortable, Try light, wispy falsies for that doll-like finish. Now, brows. Brush them up, fill sparse spots with a pencil and use soft, short strokes. Aim for a higher, lighter shape that opens your face. Think softly lifted, not heavy and bold. If you're unsure where to start, I linked my favorite beginner palettes and brow products in the description. They're subtle, stealth safe, and perfect for closeted femboys who still want to slay in peace. Blush is your secret weapon. Smile and apply blush slightly above the apples of your cheeks, blending toward your temples. It instantly gives you that fresh, lifted look. You can even sweep a bit across your nose bridge for a soft, sun-touched vibe. For lips, lightly overline your Cupid's bow to shorten the lip-to-nose distance and add fullness. Fill in with a soft matte or satin lipstick. Keep it neutral. Rosy pinks and nudes work best. Add a dab of gloss in the center for natural plumpness. Highlight the high points of your face, cheekbones, nose bridge, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This creates a glow that feels natural, not shiny. If you want to know which shades flatter your undertone or how to pick colors that match your aesthetic, you'll find that in the free Closeted But Cute guide. It's linked below and includes beginner-friendly product lists and stealth glow-up tips. Step back from the mirror and look at the balance. If it feels heavy, blend a little more. If it feels washed out, add a bit more color. Makeup is personal. Your version of soft might not look like anyone else's, and that's perfect. Adjust your hair too. A center part, soft waves, curtain bangs, or even strands tucked behind your ears all change how your makeup reads. Hair and face work together. And if you're ready to take your glow up further, pair your new look with outfits and accessories that match your vibe. You'll find my favorite femme pieces, jewelry, and accessories in the description from FemBoy Fashion. They even ship discreetly, so no stress if you're not out yet. And if you want to go deeper than makeup into posture, body shaping, skincare, and confidence, the full system is in the FemBoy Transformation Guide. It's basically your step-by-step roadmap to looking and feeling feminine without overthinking it. Before you click away, don't forget to grab your free copy of Closeted But Cute. It has beginner makeup product, pics, face shape tips, and stealth glow-up strategies that make everything 10 times easier. You'll find the download link right below this video. It's free and it's made for you if you're still keeping things low-key. Now look at you. You've softened your features, brightened your expression, and learned how to tell your story through your face. You don't need anyone's permission to feel pretty or confident. You're not doing femininity wrong. You're doing it your way, and that's what makes it special. Makeup isn't a disguise, it's alignment. It's about letting your reflection finally match your energy. Everything I used and mentioned today, from brushes to palettes to lashes, is listed in the description, so you can build your own starter kit without the guesswork. If you're ready to go further, check out the FemBoy Transformation Guide. It's the full glow-up system that covers makeup, posture, confidence, and styling. And of course, don't forget to download your free Closeted But Cute guide before you go. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you feel a little more like yourself. And tell me in the comments which part of your glow up you're starting next. You're glowing already, and I'll see you in the next one.